Hi, hello everyone. Good afternoon. This is Ashok again, and my last video we discussed about how to choose your career for overseas for hotel management, and today we'll discuss about how to take admissions in hotel management. My friends, it's very difficult to take a decision when you are looking for a college or looking for your career or looking for your education. Friend, today I'll help you how to choose your career in hotel management, or if you're looking for admissions in hotel management, what are the things you should keep in mind that we'll discuss in details. You should not go away from the pictures, you should be with me and please listen carefully in details which can be help you for your decision. Guys, if you're looking for admissions in India, then you should be 10th pass minimum. And if you are looking for graduation, that is Bachelor of Hotel Management or BSc in Hotel Management, Catering Technology, or so on. Like there are so many universities in India everywhere. And we'll discuss here, if you are in 12th standard and waiting for result, then in the month of November or December, you should see the notification from government of central government. You should check online and then you will find the notification where you can just fill the form online and you can go for your exam, and if you get shortlisted or if you get a good rank, then there will be 28 hotel management colleges around in India. Like every state there will be one IHM, and in that you can take admissions. So there is so many process are there. If you have any doubts or any clarification in that or any query, please contact us or contact me. My mail ID is lavanyaglobalcareers@gmail.com and my personal mail ID is ashok.kumar@lgcs.in. So this is all about IHM, and let's discuss about BHM, that is Bachelor of Hotel Management, or BSc in Hotel Management, or BA in Hotel Management. So for all the course as a graduation, you need to have a 12th pass with minimum 50% marks. So if you are looking for admissions in India, then you can go to any college, but before you go to college, you should check in Google or online that how is the college standard, where it is located, since how long this college is running, and how many students have been passed out from this college, and where they have been placed till now. So this should be your first job. Second job would be, if someone get placed from the college, you should search in Facebook or any other media, talk to them, how is the college, how is the infrastructure of the college, and how they got the placement, through campus or through some consultancy or through their own. So you should discuss with in details where you'll have an idea. Third thing, you should go to college, visit the college, talk to them with all the details, and then decide whether this college is suitable for you or not. And the most important role is, you should check the price as well, because there is all the tuition fees and the college fees are vary from the college to college. It may start from 60,000, 70,000, may go up to 150,000. It's totally depend upon the college to college. Apart from that, you have to spend for your own accommodation if you are not from the same city or same place. Then you have to spend more into your accommodation, fooding, your transportation. There are many things are there for 3 years. Because if you go for Bachelor of Hotel Management or graduation, it will be for 3 years. And yes, of course, if You just have done 10th pass, then you can go for short term course which could be for 1.5 year, 1 year. There are in our departments are there in hotel industry where you can do the specialization. You can go for front office or housekeeping or food production. That would be the craft course. You can do it, and the cost you can again find from the college, because every college have a different uh, prices. I mean to say the course charges. So you can please visit any of the college nearest college of you and you can talk to them. But one thing I can tell you that once you have done hotel management, there is a huge career in this. You can go any industry and work. There is no bar. And this is the only one industry, or you can say one subject or course, where if once you complete hotel management, you can go and work anywhere in this world. Nobody can stop you. So that would be the best part once you have done hotel management. So guys, if you have any query that how to choose your career in hotel management, or how to choose a college to take admissions in hotel management, or what are more criteria, or if you have any doubts, please contact me. Even you can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is 96180 So today I would like to tell one thing again, that please subscribe our channel to get more videos or view more videos, and please have a look at these two videos, okay, and do subscribe here, okay. Till the time, please take care of yourself and keep in touch, and again I'm telling you, please subscribe our channel.